Hey, it's Diana, and today we are making pumpkin muffins. First, measure out your flour, fluff it up with a spoon, and then scoop it into your cup. You want to over measure it, and then use the flat end of a knife to level it off. Put the flour in a large mixing bowl and add baking soda, baking powder, salt. Then add your spices, which are cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Then use a whisk to combine your dry ingredients. Once you've done that, you're going to mix your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. You're going to add your pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, granulated sugar, brown sugar, egg, vanilla extract, and milk. Then use a spoon to stir it until those are smooth. Make sure there's no more lumps from the sugar. Then just pour the wet ingredients right on top of the dry ingredients and stir them gently just until they're combined. There's still going to be some lumps in the mixture. That's okay. Just try not to overmix it because you don't want your muffins to be tough. When you're done, there shouldn't be any dry patches of flour. Then you're going to line a 12-count muffin pan with cupcake liners and spray them lightly with cooking spray. Then go ahead and fill up the cupcake liners evenly with your batter. They'll be filled pretty close to the top. Then you're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, just until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Cool them in the pan for about 10 minutes and then remove them to a wire rack to finish cooling. These are really delicious. They're super moist. They have a nice flavor from the spices. They're soft. They're fluffy, but they're like a little bit dense at the same time. You just have to try it so you can check out the texture. Plus, they make your house smell really great while they're baking. If you're interested in making this recipe, you can check the description box below for all the ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com.